What if I told you that in a company selling billions worth of gold every year, not even a single gram goes untracked? At Joyalukkas, one of the world's largest jewelry retailers, every gram of gold is monitored with precision. And the system behind it is more advanced than most banks. Gold isn't just jewelry, it's inventory worth thousands of dollars per piece. One small tracking mistake could mean massive losses. So how do they prevent that? It starts at the source. When gold arrives at Joyalukkas, it's recorded into a centralized ERP system. Every batch is logged by weight, purity, supplier, and cost. From that moment, it enters a fully traceable digital chain. Next comes manufacturing. Each jewelry piece is assigned a unique barcode or RFID tag in some locations. That tag contains everything: carat value, stone details, gross weight, net gold weight, and even making charges. From warehouse to showroom, that piece can be scanned and identified instantly. Here's where it gets serious. Every showroom conducts daily stock audits. Every sale, return, exchange, or transfer is updated in real time. If even a fraction of a gram is missing, the system flags it. There's no, "we'll check later." It's immediate accountability. And it doesn't stop at the store level. Regional offices and headquarters monitor inventory movement across countries. Advanced analytics track fast-moving designs, dead stock, and gold price fluctuations. This protects margins and prevents overstocking. So what makes this system powerful? First, end-to-end digitization. Second, real-time visibility. Third, unique identification for every piece. Fourth, daily reconciliation. Fifth, data-driven forecasting. Together, these create total control over physical gold, one of the hardest assets in the world to manage. Now here's the bigger lesson. Joyalukkas isn't just selling jewelry. They're running a technology-driven gold management operation. The tracking system builds trust, prevents shrinkage, improves cash flow, and protects profitability, even when gold prices fluctuate daily. Imagine managing thousands of designs across multiple countries without losing control. That's the power of process plus technology. So next time you walk into a Joyalukkas showroom, remember, that necklace in the display tray has a digital identity. It's been tracked from the refinery to the retail counter. If you found this breakdown valuable, subscribe for more deep dives into how large businesses really operate behind the scenes. And tell me in the comments, which retail giant should I decode next?